Meaning of elbow room.
Elbow room.
Elbow room.
Elbow room.
Elbow room. Elbow room means having enough space or freedom to move, work or live comfortably without feeling constrained or restricted. It is a figurative term that refers to the physical space required to extend one's arms fully without touching another person or object. The idiom is often used to describe a situation where more space or freedom is needed to carry out a task or to simply feel comfortable. For example, a growing family may need a bigger house to have enough elbow room, or a person may need more elbow room in their schedule to pursue their hobbies.